So equation yona ibibuza uba which one is a polar molecule between water no oxygen. So mfethu water is a polar molecule. So if usingayisijonga i-Lewis diagram ye-water nansi andizo Lewis diagram of H2O nansiya, ndizoyikhawulezisa Lewis diagram of water. If you can draw ka-oxygen, so oxygen molecule nansiya, there is a double bond between ezi atoms zika-oxygen, okay? Then uba singajonga i-electronegativity, we have 2,1 ka-hydrogen, then u-oxygen yena u-3,5, hydrogen 2,1 electronegativity. Yintoni electronegativity? Yi-ability ye-atom to attract the bonding electrons. So yeyiphi ability kakhulu? Ngu-oxygen. So which means oxygen will attract the bonding electrons from hydrogen, will attract the bonding electrons, that is oxygen, making this pole or this side to be partially negative. So this side is partially negative. This side of hydrogen is partially positive, slightly positive, okay? So if ungajonga apha sine pole that is positive, sine pole that is negative, which means the electrons are shared unequally. Electrons are shared unequally. Electrons are shared unequally, which means this molecule is a polar molecule. Let's look at this one. This one no 3,5 was oxygen. Nalona oxygen no 3,5. Yeyiphi ezotsalela kuyi bonding electrons? Ayikho zotsala equally, which means equal share of electrons. They share electrons equally. Equal share, which means this molecule is non-polar. So this end is partially negative, even this one is partially negative. So